Hi friends! Today we'll take a look at a variety of amazing inventions and professional techniques. You'll see how, in skilled hands, ordinary tools and powerful machines become indispensable helpers capable of working real wonders. If you want your compact car to sound like a powerful V8 engine, just attach this accessory to the muffler and the sound will be transformed. Steel, an alloy of iron, is one of the strongest, hardest, most versatile, and most common building materials. What you see is a two-component material that hardens when it dries. It can be used to patch holes or repair things. This device makes it easy to start a fire. Simply remove the metal match and strike it against the side of the case. It's a great accessory to take on camping trips as it's resistant to moisture. This device can produce corn sticks. To do so, simply set the desired parameters and product shape, then fill the hopper with corn. After sandpaper is made, it must be cut into even pieces for ease of use and further sale. Upgraded soil fertilization shovel that saves time and effort. With this handheld device, you can seal large quantities of champagne bottles on a production line with just a few quick hand movements. This device will cut the meat product into the desired and small pieces for further cooking. This chemical spray can be used to give any object a golden or reflective finish. This homemade toothpaste dispenser helps you use up the entire tube. The patio cleaner wire brush is ideal for clearing weeds, grass, and moss between pavers. Waterproof electric power strip that can be used outdoors despite the rain. Very powerful and bright LED flashlight. Road workers are installing a guardrail, and several people have gathered to bend it in the right direction so it can be properly secured. Galvanizing your exposed ends will protect them and create a more durable job. Harvesting nuts is a labor-intensive process that requires a lot of time and effort, but with this simple harvester, harvesting nuts is a pleasure. To assemble wooden items without screws or nails, a special drill is used to create square holes, allowing the parts to interlock and hold together. Great tool for cutting tall tree branches without climbing a ladder. A person demonstrates a device that can grind almost anything into dust for use in various applications. A foldable water canister is perfect for camping trips. In addition, it's equipped with a convenient and practical handle and a lid with a tap. This is an animal feed pellet machine with 5 kilowatt motor. Here, you can see the adhesive being applied to seam together 2 pieces of turf. The benefits of CNC milling include its ability to cut a wide range of materials. Pipe cutter for plastic pipes. It cuts pipes without facings and fits comfortably in your hand. Garden tool that's inserted into the ground at the edges of the garden and protects plants from damage when pulling a watering hose. The smartphone camera can be temporarily used as a replacement for the welding mask. Convenient handcraft for transporting buckets of water and transporting harvested crops. This sun helmet has a built-in fan and a solar panel on top. This trap allows you to catch birds and various animals without causing them any harm. This cart evenly spreads gravel over the road surface as it is pushed along. A new adhesive for rubber products that sticks not only firmly but also quickly. When you increase the temperature of the bubble solution, the film that forms the bubble will evaporate more quickly, making it pop. A smart way of reducing the amount of labor required to plant. Powered rotary scissors are the perfect tool for trimming completely straight edges. Needle pneumatic grinder for removing rust, old coatings, and dirt from metal surfaces. The process of sand application lawn improves the properties of the soil, opening up access of oxygen and water to the roots. Seeds of plants on such a lawn will germinate better and more densely. Paving sand sets the structure in place while remaining elastic to prevent cracks. See how easy it is to make a glass from a glass bottle using copper wire and a torch? You can see the process of instant noodle production. A lathe makes painting a round object a lot quicker and more comfortable. A mop is made from a rope with which you can effectively wash the floor. A chemical paint remover acts as a solvent. It easily penetrates into the old decorative coating and softens it. This electric pruner is so sharp that it can even cut denim. There are several types of sealant, including silicone, latex, and acrylic latex. This simple yet effective solution precisely clears gravel from the rail along which the gate closes. A well drilling tool that can easily overcome rocks if they get in the way. Environmentally friendly cleaner and rust remover for metal parts. This all-terrain vehicle is quite heavy, but thanks to its low-pressure tires, it can drive over even fragile items like dishes without crushing them. Tray that protects fruits from rotting. These coats are always compacted to ensure a good foundation. You can now observe how threading is being applied to a glass container, allowing a lid to be screwed on later. Applying varnish of chair by full dipping method. Heavy-duty sewer manhole capable of withstanding heavy loads. This nozzle will become an indispensable auxiliary tool for collecting dust when drilling holes with an electric drill. good way to repair damaged plastic with a soldering iron. To clean this tire, a hot gun partially melts the damaged surface to remove the material. There are over 9,000 variations of blue active on the commercial market. The lines vary from classic to unusual tones. Is a homemade universal wrench that can be used to tighten nuts of any size. Shielding with non-UVC is an exclusive fabric protection system developed by CleanNew. A gasoline chainsaw for concrete is an industrial tool for cutting concrete and stone structures. From paint storage to mixing to application, every aspect of the painting process needs care and detail. The process of production and processing of a huge drill bit in a factory. Water jet cutting is a type of material processing by cutting where a high-pressure water jet is used as a cutting tool instead of a cutter. Portable heavy-duty electric/hydraulic rebar bender and straightener. This tool is able to facilitate the work of workers. With a little heat, copper grounding wire is welded together and secured in place. From an old rubber tube and a plastic bottle, you can make a jack to lift heavy loads. This is a waterproof self-adhesive vinyl floor tile that's great for kitchen or bathroom. New adhesive for a fast and high-quality repair of rubber products. It takes years of practice to achieve this level of steadiness and axe handling. A man conducted an interesting experiment using a cordless screwdriver, attaching a cutting disc to it, and trying to trim thick weeds. Cut a plastic hood from a bottle to keep your rear camera dry. This is a plastic corner for the rope that facilitates the pulling force. Hot tar roofing is used to seal a roof with a protective membrane to endure storms and all outside elements. The damped fibers get harder and create a pattern that mimics rock when used on clay. Homemade tool that facilitates the work of the builder when applying the mortar. A disker with a hydraulic switch. When the long metal spring touches the trees, it turns a valve to move the discs out of the way and then moves back into place when there isn't anything that stands in the way. The reed cone chamfer tool can be used both to chamfer the inner and outer diameter of the PVC. A plastic canister can be used not only for water, but also as a toolbox conveniently carried by its handle. A manual brazier blower will help to make a fire and keep it in the right volume. With a narrow jet, you can control the heat exactly where you need it. A small portable fan that you can connect to your smartphone when you're hot. A hand-operated tool with which you can quickly peel corn. Large flow atomizing sprinklers are perfect for agricultural irrigation as they turn a powerful stream. This is a plastic handle for carrying water bottles, 1 or 2 people. Nozzle on a screwdriver for copper tube end forming. Mussels grown on wooden poles are harvested by using a hydraulic-powered system. Shaking the concrete right after you pour it eliminates the air bubbles or air pockets. This guy attached an electric plug to control a car window. Upgraded excavator for more efficient operation in hard-to-reach places. A tenon tool is perfect for large projects with lots of mortise and tenon joints. Thermal drilling in action. Due to the formation of the lower and upper collar during drilling, it's possible to thread a thin-walled workpiece. This folding bucket doesn't take up much space and can fully replace a metal one. Here, you have a quick hack to bend a pipe without breaking it. You only need another material inside. A few elastic bands make clamp this grip a lot tighter. IP68 insulating gel for electrical joints and enclosures. Additive manufacturing is the process of creating an object by building one layer at a time. The crack pocket hole jig is an advanced jig for creating rock-solid pocket hole joints. If you're using a weed whacker or string trimmer, pay attention to the way your trimmer string or blade spins. Any metallic bolt can become an energy iron if you add boiling water and let it heat. Drawing a decorative pattern on a wooden baluster by immersing it in water. automatic process for the production of polypropylene tapes. These tanks contain a caustic hot water solution that can strip most paints from ferrous surfaces. This type of mechanism makes your kitchen look cleaner and gives you more space. The bottles are pressurized with CO2 so that when the beer is forced into the bottles under pressure, it doesn't foam up too much. Steam cleaning is a unique technology for removing complex contaminants from equipment surfaces. Steam cleaning reduces water consumption dozens of times more than a pressure washer. Some crops need raised beds to grow correctly. Brick cutters are strong tools that can break stone in just one blow. How do you like such a device for twisting wire from an ordinary bolt? Rebar trying tool. It's going to save countless hours of manpower. Old cast iron can be sanded to remove upper coats of damaged material or paint, varnish, and other coatings. Dynamica SK78 is a 12-strand braided rope produced with HMPE Dyneema. Separators vibrate injection pieces to split all the smaller parts in seconds. To make a suitcase, a hard sheet of plastic is heated up and air is blown up under it. This handheld mini pipe cutter is designed to cut copper, aluminum, and plastic pipes without leaving chips behind. This wheel is stripped to prepare it for a new coating. Plastic covers are used to keep a burger shape. This is a deep vibrator for concrete. Vibration compaction of concrete is the most efficient method for achieving perfect concrete mix.